Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Lexus RX 350 windshield wiper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents it from snapping back. Now, identify the small release tab on the wiper blade assembly. With the wiper arm locked, press the small release tab you located. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Pay close attention to how the old blade was attached. This helps with installing the new one correctly. Always keep a firm grip on the wiper arm to avoid it accidentally springing back and damaging your windshield. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that it feels firm and won't detach. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm assembly back down onto your Lexus RX 350 windshield. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they clear the glass smoothly and without any streaks or missed spots. Proper installation means clear visibility. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.